Here you can see how to install MySQL Server Enterprise Edition. Already I downloaded this file. I downloaded in, this is the file. This file you can upload to this server. In this server is host name DBA Center. Okay, I am using WinSCP. Go here, IP address is this one. Fine, giving password. It's connected. Okay, this is the software you can see here. This is the software you can download. Already it is downloaded. You can see in previous video. Documents, upload to the server. It's going into that. Okay, almost it is completed. Okay, done. You can minimize this. Here you can see cd/home. In documents, I downloaded here. Unzip it. Okay. Once this is done, update the server. Okay, it's done. apt get update. Fine, it's getting to update. Fine, everything is fine. Okay, no issues, nothing to worry. Okay, fine, nothing to worry. Then you unzipped the files, right? You can use apt get install /star.deb. Okay, deb stands for library files for Ubuntu. Fine, it is going to do that. Okay, it needs, after doing operation, it needs something like this. This is space we have. Okay, it is fetching. Okay, it is fine, working fine, 37%. Okay, almost completed. After some time it will ask for password. MySQL have given password. Okay, see, commercial server is installing, means nothing but it is an enterprise server. Fine, almost done. Okay, this is taking time. Okay. Okay, it's done. Okay, MySQL -u root -p password. We should not give this one. Okay, fine for us. It is done. See here, you can see MySQL commercial server. This is a default location. Suppose you want to verify like data dir, all default locations. It will be loaded. Base directory, fine, and port number. Okay, this is the installation of MySQL server enterprise server. Okay, thank you.